tonguing. See, it's the same thing. That's
Yep.
the issue of the day. The issue du jour. Finding that cleanliness in the tonguing down there.
Okay.
Because the speed is great. It's just not, it's just too scuzzy. It's got
Not
stuff,
collected.
it has parasites around it. Try something. Try not trying so hard. I mean, just maybe don't overblow your tone or your reed.
Okay.
Almost on the verge of, like on the clarinet, of getting that subtone rather than the presence
Okay.
of the sound. I don't know if we want a little of that in our tone, maybe. Just a little of that, not quite ba, but in it. And that, I think, is controlled a little. And not so fast as in airspeed, maybe. Maybe, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Okay, now keep your mouth as quiet as possible. I
Yeah.
just play that. That's better.
Yeah.
There's still a squawk factor in there, a squawk quotient. Just 10% squawk quotient. Try legato tonguing. Now release the first note. That's wonderful.